Hello guys! Welcome to Encabo Skin Clinic. Very exciting ang ating topic today. It is something so important that it adds instantly life to our faces. And that is our eyebrows. But eyebrows, microblading, this is not my forte. That's why we sought Master Artist of Manila meets the finest of Cavite who would discuss and answer questions regarding natawag nating kilay is life. So with us is Master Artist Jack. Jack without K. Welcome, Jack.
Thank you for having me here, Dr. Ryan.
So syempre, start muna tayo, no? Ano ba yung purpose ng eyebrows? Ang function talaga ng kilay natin is to protect our eyes from the sweat that's coming from our forehead. But what's the deeper importance or significance? Why do we need to enhance it?
Our brows, it frame our eyes and the whole face. Kasi ang kilay talaga natin ay nakakapagpabata sa atin.
But I also noticed that very important siya pagdating sa communication and connecting because of the facial expression. Especially right now, well, we are all wearing masks. Nakikita na lang yung eyes natin. Now, 6D microblading. What's the difference between 3D, 4D, and what makes 6D superior from all these techniques?
Technically, ang difference lang nila is the strands. 6D is more natural looking than the 3D and the 4D.
It's one thing na enhance siya, pero it's another thing na wow, talagang kilay, no? Gusto natin kasi natural looking. What makes 6D microblading very lifelike?
The strands complements the real hair like yung brows talaga natin. At the same time, pag nag-heal siya, mas manipis, mas maganda, hindi siya laminated tignan.
I see, ganun pala yun. Ano? Ang tanong, painful ba?
Well, basically, we're using topical anesthesia to numb the area. Mas masakit pa yung kagat ng langgam. Mas masakit pa yung iniwanan ka.
Ang lalim ng hugot mo. Speaking of lalim, how deep yung paglalagay natin ng pigment?
Nandun lang tayo sa dermis layer ng skin natin. Once na lumagpas tayo, ang mangyayari, mag-smudge yung pigment. Kailangan light lang ang hagod ng kamay.
So very important po talaga ang expertise. Do not just trust your eyebrows to just anyone. Sometimes it's more costly to correct a murdered eyebrows, even with advanced lasers. Now, how long does it take to have a retouch for the eyebrows?
After the first session, 3 to 4 weeks, we need to go back for the touch-up. Most of the time, the retention of the pigment that we are using is depending doon sa skin ng kliyente natin kasi we have the dry skin, we have the oily skin, we also have the sensitive skin. After the second session, pinasabi ko sa kliyente na they need to go back annually.
What would the client or the patient expect right after the procedure?
Meron tayong redness and swelling, pero hindi naman siya magtatagal.
Pero Master Jack, nakita ko yung kay Mrs. Hindi naman ganun din ka swollen. May mild redness and may mild swelling lang. Pero all in all, parang wala lang eh. How does the normal hair, the natural hair of the patient gets affected?
So we are using acupuncture needles na kung saan mas naiiwasan natin yung pag-damage yung hair follicle. It depends sa artist na gagawa. Kung mabigat ng kamay niya at masyadong malalim, so baka makat natin yung mga hairs. Baka pag natapos, kalbo na din yung buong buhok, di ba? So dapat tama lang, swabe lang.
There is a risk of damaging the natural hair. That's why it's very important yung skill ng ating artist at the same time yung instrument na ginagamit niya. Now, it is still pandemic. How would we assure that the clients, the patients are safe?
Sagot ko dyan is that I'm wearing PPE every time that I do the procedure, and also clients should wear their masks pag pupunta sa clinic, pag gagawin natin, and the tools that I'm using is disposable.
So all of our questions were answered. So thank you very much, Jack.